Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. Tonight, temperatures will drop into the 60s after 9 p.m. We will keep some rain showers around until I think about midnight. We'll call it overcast through the rest of the night then, as temperatures fall generally into the low 60s overnight tonight. Some of us, though, fall into the upper 50s to the north and to the west. 58 in Tupelo, 61 in West Point, Starkville, and in Columbus. Vernon at 60. We'll be down to 59 in Eupora and in Kosciuszko. As we look ahead here, Futurecast showing here by 6 o'clock, still rain and storms all across the region this evening. They'll slowly move off to the east. Then notice 10 p.m. Most of those rain and showers are off to our east. Still, I think a few little spots here and there can be expected, and that'll carry off. Then really by Sunday morning we are dry. Sunday afternoon, then the sun starts to come back in for many of us. Still looks like mostly cloudy in West Alabama. We'll call it partly cloudy for the rest of us by Sunday at lunch. And then by Sunday night, we're looking at a mostly clear sky across our region. As far as highs on today's Sunday, I think many of us are going to get into the upper 70s. Some of us could get into the lower 80s here. We'll look for light north breezes through the day and with thinning clouds throughout the afternoon and evening hours. I've got us only in the mid to upper 70s in Tupelo. 76 there, 77 in Houston, 78 in Calhoun City and in Bruce. Amory checking in at 77 on Sunday afternoon. As we look to the south end, some 80s creeping in the board here. I've got Columbus at 80, 80 in Macon, 80 in Philadelphia, 78 in Ackerman, Starkville, Eupora, and Louisville at 79. West Alabama, the clouds may hang around a little longer for us, and we may have an isolated shower before 6 a.m. Still, though, 80 in Fayette and in Vernon, 81 in Reform and in Aliceville Sunday afternoon. As we look ahead here, that front kicks off to the south. It stalls out along the Gulf Coast. That's going to keep us dry Monday and most of the day on Tuesday. Notice by Tuesday afternoon that we start to see rain and storms off to our west. I think Tuesday evening and Tuesday night that the chances for rain and storms increases in our area. And that is the start of an active pattern here. Over the next week, we could see areas see between 2 and 4 inches of rainfall with some locally higher amounts. Notice, though, it's a sharp cutoff there, so we'll have to watch and see where that final cutoff ends. But the potential is there for some heavy rain over the next 7 days. We also may have to deal with some strong storms this week. I think the best chance for that looks like it may be a Thursday and a Friday problem for us. We'll keep our eyes on things and update you on the threats. But for now, just know heavy rain and the potential for some stronger storms are there. That will likely last through the weekend.